At NAB Show 2024 here in Las Vegas. For the next 4 days, we're going to get to dive in the next gen tech, best in the business tools, and must-see gear. NAB is home of the unmatched exposure of groundbreaking products and experts behind them. We'll get hands-on the latest tools and advanced workflows, elevating the art of storytelling and content creating. I'm excited for what these next 4 days have in store and prepare us for what the future of storytelling will look like. Let's go. One of the hardest things as a cinematographer is color grading, and the DaVinci Resolve Studio makes it very easy. They have a lot of different controllers that will help with color grading, and I myself is still learning how to color grade properly, but if you continue with DaVinci Resolve, there's so many tutorials online, and again, they got these these computer work desktops that make it extra streamlined and more easier to color resolve. Alright guys, so I told you this year's specialty is focusing on iPhone cinematography, and this is the new Beast Grip and SanDisk cage that they just announced they're partnering up with. This thing's pretty awesome. Beast cage has been out for a while. They have their DFK and lens adapters and wide angle and fisheyes but they just now partnered with SanDisk. Granted, I've used this SSD for years and strongly stand behind it, guys. Check them out. Their new Pro Blade. I'm excited. I've always wanted to dive into this, but eventually. And oh, this is new. The Pro Grade SSD. Yeah, check it out, guys. I'll grab one eventually, do a review on it.